this video, we'll be showcasing our new 1.8-inch and 1.91-inch full-color OLED. Each size offers the option of a fully assembled module with PCB and bezel, or a glass-only model, giving more installation design control to the user. In comparison to our existing color OLED sizes, ranging from 0.95 inches to 1.69 inches, these new color OLED displays stand out for being noticeably larger. Our 1.8-inch color OLED has 160 by 128 resolution, almost identical measurements to our 1.8-inch TFT with 128 by 160 pixels. Two different kinds of technology though. So let's compare the 1.8-inch OLED to our 1.8-inch LCD. Both 1.8-inch displays have the same images on their screens. Notice the subtle difference between them. The color OLED has greater depth and contrast, especially when you continue to move your viewing angle and the picture remains clear compared to the standard TN LCD. Our 1.91-inch OLED surpasses all existing models with 176 by 176 resolution, expanding the possibilities for even greater visual experiences. This model is also perfect for designers seeking a precisely square screen in their project. With the higher resolution and the same number of pixels in both directions, applications will be looking high-end and professional. OLED displays are known for withstanding extreme temperatures, and these new color OLEDs are no exception. They can operate smoothly in bitter cold temperatures down to minus 40 degrees Celsius and upwards to 70 degrees Celsius. That's 158 degrees Fahrenheit. Another fantastic feature in these displays is the built-in interface options. They offer user-selectable parallel and SPI interface modes, while the 1.91-inch size also features I2C interface for added flexibility. It's the only model with I2C support in our color OLED product line so far, which substantially reduces the number of necessary wires to streamline a project. We want to make it easy for you to start developing your color OLED project with I2C interface, so we created some example code to get started. Find a link to the code in the description below, and be sure to reach out to us directly or in our forum if you need additional support. Our new line of full-color OLED displays is here to take your project to the next level. Visit our website to learn more and order yours today.